Of course, being in the paving business, we're always removing asphalt. We're always trying to remove asphalt in a controlled way by milling or for trenching or for repairs. And so far, this has been one of the best performing milling attachments for skid steer that I've worked with. So today we're testing the RPL SSL 18-inch milling attachment. We did a few passes at 1 inch deep, removing 1 inch out of the asphalt, and then we did about 4 passes milling full depth, the full 3-inch depth of the asphalt. The machine, as expected, performed very well. No bouncing. It wasn't riding on top of the asphalt. It sunk right into the cut. Of course, the weight and the powerful motors are really what helped this machine perform. You can see the 3/4 inch steel plate for the sides is it's probably one of the heaviest in the market right now. No, absolutely. This is 18-inch attachment with the Cat machine is a perfect match. The machine was not overpowering the implement, and the implement was not bogging down the machine. So I think they're a perfect match. The water spray system is very simple, on and off. I really like the fact that the tank being part of the attachment is not separate. It's not separate, it's not on the roof, it's right here. Stainless steel. I was very surprised to see that it's a stainless steel tank. And it's right here at ground level, easy to fill. 3 bolts to remove the cover, and you can access the pump and all the other electronic components and hydraulic components to it. So maintenance friendly, that's for sure. From the first time I tried the FA milling attachment, I was always impressed how it really stays in the cut and it's stable. And now even more so with the integrated water tank. The weight is really where it needs to be, on top of the rotor. And as we saw before during the demo, the machine was not riding on the blacktop. It was cutting at the depth we wanted it to. You really have a lot more control of the depth than with the competition's planners, for sure.